Hi guys, as a web developer, I need to have my portfolio website to tell about myself, what kind of project I did, and how I built them. So I ask myself, do I need to code by myself or use a website builder platform to do it? It was no brainer for me, that's why I used one of the platforms, and it's called Webflow. In this video, I just want to show some platforms you can definitely use for your future personal or other project websites. And yeah, let's talk about them. As I mentioned, I used the Webflow platform to build my website and how to see my website. And to be honest, I didn't need some extraordinary website. I just need to have basic website as soon as possible to show other employees what I do or other clients. Yes, so I decided to do that. Why did I use Webflow? To be honest, I've been aware of Webflow for a while, that's why I decided for it, and I've seen a lot of beautiful projects that did by Webflow, and I just like, okay, why not to use it? And I used it a couple times, but nothing special. And it's completely free. You just build it and you can have it only for 2 projects, and you can have it forever. That's a great, great deal breaker for me compared to other platforms. So right now you will see another project. It will be like bags, like a landing page for bags. For example, if you have a business of bags, you can do it. For example, it's compared to my website, it's completely different. It looks beautiful to show your bags, different types. And likely this project wasn't built completely, but you see that what Webflow is able to do. And another portfolio website built by Alex Levy, and as you see, it's really beautiful compared to mine. A lot of projects seen, and he did as I did. He didn't just buy or just use another plan because he doesn't need. He just wanted to show what he does, etc. So it depends what you can do that. Yeah, it's the Webflow only limits in your imagination. Yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention about the pricing list, and if you want to have the basic website, like blog, etc., with own domain and other features, it's called basic plan. It costs $15. If you're gonna pay monthly, $15. If you're gonna pay annually, it will be $12 monthly. And you can definitely check it out in the Webflow website. Wix, it sounds like Wizard. Wix is very user-friendly website builder compared to other platforms, and technically it's based on templates. You just, for example, the case shoe e-commerce website. You definitely the basic website you can do it, and you can just sell everything to your clients. In this case, shoes. You can it's like e-commerce. You don't have to worry about code, etc. It's fully no-code, and it may be also a disadvantage to if you want to scale your website, because the templates won't allow you to do that. And another case, for example, a startup, you need some multiple landing page. I would say, like careers about, definitely you see it's a really beautiful template, and it makes your customers or clients, it's like, I would say, like it's look like Tesla website. If you want to check it out, it's really looks beautiful. So another case, like blog website, if you just want to write blogs, as you see, it's basically, yes, if you don't worry about code, use Wix really. And there are cases, for example, if you want to without ads of Wix, it costs $10, about $10 monthly, with your domain and other features. But if you're a student, there is 50% off for all premium plans. I think you've heard about Wordpress. It's the origin of all CMS websites, aka content management system. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. I never used it. I used it. Okay, it's free. It is free. It's completely free use for basic just projects you can want to build. but you want to even your own domain or some extra additional plugins, etc., you have to pay for it, because it doesn't go with that. Yeah, and yes, it's old enough, and a lot of people still use it, and it's still currently in the last year was one of the best CMS website builder. So yeah, if right now currently I'm showing the cases, you definitely can build with templates. So if you wanted something, better or more plugins you're looking for, it's better than Wix. But if you don't need that one, just use Wix or Webflow. A portion of this video was sponsored by Squarespace. If you need the website, just kidding. A lot of YouTubers were sponsored by Squarespace. So yeah, compared to Wix, I don't think so there is a big difference, but it's said that Squarespace is more friendly for blogging, magazine, newspapers, and maybe Wix have more beautiful templates than Squarespace. So yeah, definitely right now you can see the one website. It's called Elmore, I think. It's a really beautiful, basic website, and yeah, there's a blog. Another, for example, wedding website, and one of the, I think it's beautiful e-commerce website. You can see the next, and I really like it. The plan is pricing plan is $15 monthly. Yeah, it's like Webflow, but also there is student discounts, 50% off for premium on new annual subscription. Yeah, be aware of it. Shopify. Let's talk about Shopify. It's best known for e-commerce platforms, and if you're planning to make your business online, to use Shopify. But one of the problems I have with that, it's a bit pricey. Is it worth it? I don't know. Compared to other platforms, maybe they have more benefits. I don't know. Definitely check it out and read about more personally. So yeah, and for example, it costs $30 monthly only for basic functionality of your website. Okay. I definitely see a lot of right now is a real world project people use, and I really like it. It's really cool. And yeah, if you want to something completely, I would say, trustworthy, Shopify, it's your case, because Shopify works over the world. Yeah, they can take care of a lot of things. I think shipping costs, not shipping costs, shipping problems, maybe they have some services provide, though. Maybe that's why it costs a little bit much compared to other platforms. Yeah. Last but not least, Ghost. Ghost is the blogging website builder, I would say, with newsletter and other features. For example, you can use it for newspaper, currently you see it, and yeah, you can just after that just email to your customers and talk about your topic. Another platform, for example, it was integrated to Duolingo. It's I would say language learner app, web app, etc. It's really cool. So another one of the, to be honest, I've never heard about that, but once Ali Abdal mentioned, it's my favorite, one of the favorite YouTuber, and he uses his own website in Ghost, so he posts and blogs about some topics. Yeah, definitely check out for personal blog, etc. And it costs, I think, so for personal use about $7. Yeah, and do I recommend it? If you want to just only blog, nothing else, do it. Yeah, that's all. You watched until the end, thank you. And I hope this video gives you some hints of what kind of plugins you have to use for your future website or other projects. So, and I will recommend to compare the pricing plans, because best pricing plan you have to check it out by yourself. Anyway, yeah, of course there are other platforms, but they are more popular, and I have personally about them. So yeah, bye.